Today I am showing calling bell piping. This one is our lobby. Here one bedroom. This one is another bedroom. This one is entrance lobby. Our calling bell will come here. Here we keep one round box, and from this round box there are two pipes. One pipe will connect with any light point because there are no separate circuit for calling bell. It's a common circuit with light. One conduit will come and connect with light junction box. We do piping in slab. And another pipe will go directly to calling bell switch. Switch for calling bell. From calling bell, one come directly here through slab, and another pipe with nearby light junction box.